We're chopping some more wood. We got this new fire grate. We're going to start us a little fire and get some coffee going, and then get caught back up on wood. Nice gloves. Thanks, they're Cadence. Madeline just came over and gave me this. She's collected a whole bag of sap for me. She even cut herself doing it. What a good girl, Madeline. So I know how high to make my fire. Right over there.
I'd leave that aiming up so it doesn't get hot.
Yeah, this is our new coffee pot that we just bought, so this is our first time trying this and this out. Oh, we can see it starting to percolate.
Mm-hmm.
That's so cool.
It's really going now. Dylan's lumberjack extravaganza.
Cut that out, cut that out, cut that out.
Oh my goodness, you keep missing. Again!
It's the camera, it makes him nervous. You'll notice all these are in halves. He went through and cut the whole ones really well. And I missed that.
Again! Oh my
Hey,
goodness.
it's good kindling. Good job, Dylan. Put a little creamer in that coffee. It's been sitting off to the side, cooling down a little bit. We got our chairs set up.
See, this one you probably don't have to do it, but me personally, I like to take it out.
That way they don't spill.
That way the grounds don't find their way in my coffee cup.
Good idea.
You know what I mean? And we can...
It smells really good.
Oh, coffee, coffee.
Look at that beautiful golden coffee.
Which cup?
Look at your rainbow pot.
Are you drinking a black, Caden?
Oh yeah.
Hold it tipped like that, so...
No, I need to put my creamer in first. Here. Don't pour it on my finger.
Taste test.
There.
Oh, do you hear that?
That's a hawk.
How
Not
is
too
it?
bad.
I'm gonna try to do this and not
Pop
burn
in,
the crap
and
out of
then
myself.
Mix it up, put the lid on and shake it.
Pretty good. We all have our coffee.
do, man?
Dylan's not a big coffee drinker, so he wanted me to get him doing a taste test of his water.
Yeah, but we got for coffee.
How is it?
Good. Definitely kind of water. Tastes a little bit like water.
We got
Think you're all right?
someone spilling
Dang,
over
look at
here.
how white that coffee is. You use so much creamer.
I don't know how he has the energy to ride a bike after he just chopped all that wood. Watch out, Liberty!
He's a 200-pound, 5'10" man-child. Like, it got a little squirrely there when you hit the. Look.
Liberty's herding instinct. It just can't be stopped. If anyone runs or rides a bike, she just can't help herself. Stacking the first truckload. All right, so we're back up at the fire, and we decided to go ahead and eat lunch out here. And this is a very large pan. It's got just got some pine in it now. It's fine. It's totally fine.
Yeah, you just used your dirty glove to wipe it.
Yeah,
It's all
it's
fine.
totally fine. Builds your immune system. All right, so we're gonna have some burgers.
One burger each, you mean?
Yeah.
Snack.
You want to start on some pretzels?
Oh no, I'm bad at opening these.
Hopefully you brought some water, because pretzels can get dry.
I brought drinks for everybody. Let's
You
see
bring
if
Liberty
I can...
food?
I did not bring Liberty food. Fail.
I'll go drive.
That's got paper on it.
Yeah, I know.
Liberty.
You want one?
Trying to get them out without touching them. Since
I mean, you already touched the pan.
I didn't bring anything to wash my hands with.
Probably got hand sanitizer in the truck.
It's okay, we already got it.
I bet I can fit another one on there.
I smell four in there.
Whoa! I almost dropped
One in
them all.
that end and one in the other end.
Liberty almost got a little snack.
They'll shrink a touch. Not a lot, but a touch.
And that's all the burgers.
Let's see if we can line that up better.
Liberty. Want another one?
Well, this one's not going to cook great. So I've never cooked over a fire like this, so we'll see how this goes. Liberty's getting some lunch. The pan's starting to heat up pretty good. I got Junior cutting me some more kindling. They're eating all the pretzels. Ooh, that's looking good.
Did you bring plates?
I did bring plates. Woo! Plates I remember. Napkins, drinks.
Mom, toodles.
Toodles. The kids are making a trip back to the house to get some more water. And Junior likes his soda ice cold. Whoops. It's a slippery booger one-handed. So we're just going to get a little snow bath.
Liberty.
Cheese. Woo!
People flipping cheese.
And of course all I have is the shredded cheese.
Mind if I get a dunk? You get that 18 inches. Try it.
That side is hot.
Let Mom choose.
How's that burger?
That's the same without ketchup, but it's good.
Junior's getting his ready. And then we got the last one in the pan. Dylan needed a cup for his soda, so he just cut the top of his water bottle off. Oh!
Excuse me.
I had to throw my burger back on. I went to film me taking a bite and there was some blood in it. And then Dylan decided to deep fry himself a bun. Back to work. We're at the point of the day where it just becomes more of a fun skill share than actual wood chopping. So Dylan's going to try to attempt to chop through both of these logs in one swing. Let's see it, Dylan. And that's a no.
Everybody scoot up to the side, because you don't want to get that one.
Junior's going to give it a try. I don't think it's possible. Oh my gosh, you did it! Holy crap!
Cheating.
I just said I don't think it's possible.
I cracked it. That's why you got it. 'Cause when
Wow! I just caught the view in the background. Look how pretty that is.
All I see is this.
Okay, Captain America.
Whoa!
Oh, so strong.
There. Right there on the ground.
Madeline has to have a try.
Ding dang, diddly ding dong.
Oh, good job.
I'm strong.
And we're all stocked back up again. One more good day of chopping wood. The weather's warming up now, so this might last us through the spring. How far back does it go? Oh yeah. We're gonna go in the house and relax now. Thanks for watching.